Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you some certification courses which are extremely valuable to your portfolio and career. These courses are highly effective for economic and financial students. Moreover, plus point in career enhancement. The website links are below in description box. Now let us begin. Here are various type of courses. You can choose any of them, whatever you like. All the courses are video tutorial. They have maximum of 4 to 5 chapters in each of them. All the courses are completely free and certification lead. Before we move to the course content, you will have to log in to the website. You will need to register here by click on this button. Followed by that, you will need to provide your username for login later. First name, last name, email address and password on your one. Here, I have set XYZ for demo. You will need to fulfill all the details. After login, you can see your profile. Head over to courses. Here you can choose any courses at a time. Here you can see I have completed my course already and it has provided certificate as well. Moving to the chapter, here you can see certificate of completion which I have gained after completing. It can be downloaded from same place after you complete it. The course is guided by Asian Development Bank Institute. Here in this course, it has 4 chapters and followed by conclusion at last. All 4 chapters are video lessons. Keep in mind that you cannot fast forward these videos.
This is a lecture about financial globalization, capital flows,
It has got reference material as seen in reference section. After you watch over all 4 chapters and conclusion, you finally have to fill up a small course evaluation form, which will take almost 1 minute. After then, you will be awarded with a course completion certificate. Different courses are offered. A list of courses are seen here. You can choose any of them as per your need. Thanks for watching this video. For more details, subscribe, like and share.